So we've got this bedroom here where the height drops down. So we need a level for that. And probably the easiest place to add that level will be in the west elevation. So I'm simply going to add in a new level. While I'm at it, I may as well get these levels that I already have off to one side so that they're outside the building. And then I can simply join a new level, 450. And hopefully you've done plenty of this already, so that shouldn't be too difficult for you. So this will be negative 450. Doesn't hurt to tidy it up while I'm at it. And of course it shouldn't be level 3, it could be just lower ground floor. And again, I can just bring those across a bit more. Okay, so that should be fairly easy, adding in a new level like that. And then maybe in a 3D view, I can put the 3 walls that go around the bedroom here down to that level. Just in properties, I can set the base constraint down to lower ground floor. So now their bottom goes down a bit further. This wall on the side, though, I can't really do that because we want to keep it at the higher level part of the way. So I need to go and split that first. Back in the ground floor plan, I'll just use split under the modifier. I just made mine negative 450. But by doing it to a level, if that height changes, we can simply go in and move the level and all the walls will change. And the floor as well that I'm about to put in. So I'll use split here, and I'm going to split this wall. Probably at the intersection of the reference plane and the wall here would be okay. But again, this doesn't need to be too precise because this can all be changed easily later on. As long as you've broken the wall into 2 pieces, like I just have then, we can change the location of that join easily later on if we realise that we want that to change. Probably we're not going to see this on the outside anyway, so it's not really that important where it's split, as long as it's split roughly near the end of the corridor here. And now I've brought part of the wall down.
Wait, how do we split it?
Under modify, you've got the split button next to trim. Okay, so that should be it for the levels. Looking again in the elevation view, you can see I've got a level for the 2 floors on the ground floor level, level 1 and level 2. So level 2 really is the roof, or we could call it level 2 ceiling, because I doubt we're going to, so level 1 ceiling, not level 2 ceiling, because I doubt we're going to model the roof. You don't need to do any exterior views, I think, for this project, so as long as we've got everything we need for the interior, then that is plenty. So those 4 levels should be enough. We don't need to make a separate level for the ceiling below level 1. And that's going to be probably the trickiest thing to model, but we'll do that based on level 1. And then the roof, the extra roof that pops up over the part of the living area on the ground floor, over this area, you've got a roof that pops up and has a different ceiling height. We'll tackle that when we get to it. We may need to add a level in for that, but we'll probably be able to just base that on level 1 as well. So that's it for the levels for now.